So our next chapter is chapter number 4, division. Actually the division is a repeated subtraction. So today we will discuss some properties of division. The first property is, if a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Means if we divide any number with 1, then the answer is number itself. Second property is, if a number other than 0 is divided by itself, then the quotient will be 1. Means if we divide the number with itself, means if the number is 415 and we divide it with 415, then our quotient is 1. Third one property is, if 0 is divided by a number, then the quotient will be 0. Means if we divide 0 with any number, then the quotient is 0. Now we discuss how to divide the numbers. The first thing is, this is your divisor. This is quotient. This is remainder, and this is dividend. So this is your divisor by which you divide the number, and this is your dividend, and after subtraction if some number is left, then that is your remainder, and this is your quotient. In your exercise 4.1, you can solve your exercise with the help of these properties. In the next exercise, we will divide some examples. We will solve some examples. The first is 9, 3, 7, 8. This is your dividend, and 3 is the divisor. The first step is check first number. If the number is greater than your divisor, then you can solve it. If the number is smaller, then take two numbers. This number is greater than your divisor, so you count down the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. After this, subtract it. Now you can take your next number. 3 is same, so you can divide it. If this number is smaller, then you can take 2 digits, and if you take 2 digits one time, then put 0 here. We will solve this type of example also. 3 ones are 3. Now subtract it. Now take next number. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Why we put 6 here? Because we only write the number smaller than this number or equal to this number. We cannot write the greater number in this number. Now subtract 7 minus 6, 1. Now write next number. Now count down the table of 3. 6 threes are 18, and there is 0. In this way you can solve your exercise 4.2, how to divide the numbers. This is your quotient, means this is your answer. Now in our next exercise, divide with 2-digit divisors. The first question is 99 with 11. Count down the table. This is your divisor and this is your dividend. Count down the table of 11. 11 nines are 99. Now subtract it. It becomes 0. Now the next example is 379. Divide it with 12. Now count down the table of 12. 3 is smaller than 12. So So we have to take two numbers. Take these two numbers, 37. So count down the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. 36 is less than 37, but 12 fours are 48. 48 is greater than, so we take 36 here. 12 threes are 36. Now subtract it, 7 minus 6, 1. Now take other number. Now here is 19, 12 ones are 12. If we take 12 2, then it becomes 24, and 24 is greater than 19. So we put 12 ones are 12 here. Now subtract it, 9 minus 2 becomes 7. So 7 is your remainder, and 31 is quotient. In this exercise you have to write the remainder and quotient. So our next topic is find the quotient and remainders by dividing it with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Our first question is 839 divided by 100. So count down the table of 100. Here is 8. 8 is less than 100. So we take two numbers, that is 83. 83 is also less than 100. So we take three numbers, means 839s. So count down the table of 100. 100 8s are 800. Now subtract it. It becomes 9, 3. So 39 is the remainder, and 8 is your quotient. Now you can solve your exercise 4.5 with this method. Now the next exercise is word problems for exercise 4.6. The first question is Mrs. Lucky withdraw 8,040 from her account. Means Mrs. Lucky withdraw rupees 8,040. She was paid in 20 notes. Means she take 20 notes for 8,040 rupees. 20 notes. Now how many notes did she get? Now we have to find how many notes did she get for 8,040 rupees. So we have to divide 8,040 by 20. Now count down the table of 20. 8 is less than 20, so we have to take two numbers. 80. 28 fours are 80. Now subtract it. It becomes 0. Now take another number 4. Now look at 4 is less than 20. Now we have to take two numbers. If we have to take two numbers, then we have to put 0 here. In the starting we discussed, if we put two numbers down, then we have to put 0 here. In starting there is no need, because there is no value of 0 in that position. So put 0 here. Now 22s are 40. Means she get 402 notes. Now again we will discuss. Mrs. Lucky withdraw 8,040 rupees from his bank, and she get 20 rupees note, rupees 20 notes. All the money is in rupees 20 notes. Now we have to discuss that how many notes she get. We divide it. Now she get 402 notes. Next question is, if each person donated rupees 31 to Prime Minister Relief Fund and rupees 8,928 was the total amount collected, then how many persons contribute? Means one person donated rupees 31 and the total money distributed is Total money is 8,928. Now we have to check how many persons contribute. Divide it with 31. Now divide it by yourself and you will get the answers. Thank you.